everybody, we are looking at a NEM coin right now. If you go to my Twitter at BK Crypto Trader, this is a tweet of a chart I put out a few days ago. Looks like on the 15th, 3464. I said NEM was looking like it was getting ready to set up to make a big move here, and it doesn't look like it's happened yet. But I did want to take a look at the chart, to see what's building up. If you don't know, the boss is sitting Bayside right now in Miami, out here at the one hotel poolside, a couple cabanas up there, but I come on, I'm saying, even on my vacation, I don't really take a day off. So, this is a good chart though. So I definitely wanted to knock it out with you guys and let you know how it's building up behind the scenes before it actually fulfills. That way, hopefully you can get in and make a little bit of money with me and the rest of the crew. So let's go ahead. We're going to tradingview.com. Again, this is going to be more of a advanced technical analysis on the metrics behind the scene. So if you are not familiar with the boss method, if you're not familiar with, the moving averages, that whole system that we use, you can just click on the Chart Like a Boss playlist. Link is in the description, and that will get you set up. So there you go, right there. You can see I put this thing up 12.16 right there at that price. Actually, it was before that, 34.64. So since then, we've just kind of kept going. We still haven't broken out yet. This is just kind of an extension, a continuation pattern. So this thing is still setting up. So let's jump in it and see how it looks behind the scenes, right? This is a 77-minute chart. One of the things I like about the 77-minute is it gives you a few more intersections when you turn on the 21-day moving average. So you can see right here, we had one intersection right there. All I did for these levels, let's see if we've hit that yet, that 1-2. We haven't hit that 1-2 yet. I'm going to clear this chart off right now. But what I did before was sometimes when you get these charts that are kind of still filling out, one of the things you can do is take a Fibonacci from the intersections of the 7 and the 21. You see that right there? And sometimes that will show you a good amount of information built inside of the chart itself. Still doesn't look like much has happened. You can see that once we did cross that 618 right there, that's when we had a big candle, and that's when we, made a lot more profit on this move. But again, it is nowhere close to being finished, right? If we wanted to do a retracement, one of the things I'm going to do now is Nicole's in the building. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I know.
Are you recording?
Yeah, but I'll be done in like 7 minutes.
What I was going to say is...
Okay. I'll come over there. You want me to stop recording and come walk over there? I'm not doing it. But we come down all the way to pre-breakout. Look at that. That's where we're at right now. Come down to this thing a little bit. We're trying to break through that 1.6. Yeah, that's not bad. That's much better right there. Yeah, so this is what's happening behind the scenes, guys. Look at that. Look how tight this thing was in that money zone right there. You see that? It literally rode that thing, hit the blue, top blue, bounced off the bottom blue, came right back, and now we've literally just been riding through it. What you can see now behind the scenes is that we actually crossed over that 1.0. So that 1.0 is going to be our new floor, right? This move has shaped up from the 0 down there to the 1.0 right there. And the next area of continuation for this thing is going to be that 1.6. And that's what we're kind of building up to tapping on. So the minute we break through that 1.6, and that'll be like 43 to 4,500, is when we're going all the way up to probably 52, somewhere 52, 55, right in there. And that's when you'll see this thing fill all the way through. If we just jump out to the 343 real quick, you can see these candles are getting pretty big, which means we may come down a little bit to the 38, 39 level. I don't think that's anything to be concerned about. This is a strong continuation formation that is happening behind the scenes. For what we want to look for with regards to timing, trying to find some good intersections that we can tie into to get this logic here. Boom, boom. Let's jump back to the 77. That's one for sure. Let's do this one. That's one. And let's take it out to right there. Might be a little bit tighter. Like right there. To where we had breakout. So basically, that's like one complete cycle. You see that breakout, breakdown, flatline, all built up inside that first wave. Breakout, breakdown, flatline. You see that? Now we have breakout, flatline, breakout, breakdown, flatline, breakout, flatline, breakout, breakdown, flatline. If it followed the pattern, that's what it would do. So maybe that's what we're building up for. To where this thing hits that 1.6, comes down to the 1.2, settles down before next move up to the 2.4. If that fills out, this is where it will happen at, between those two right there. And I think this one, I think that is a fairly decent estimate right there. You almost, sometimes you have to look at the midline of these cycles, because that's kind of where like a lot of baseline energy, comes together at, in order to make those, blue lines fill out. So this will be a big move that's coming up on this thing, probably tomorrow or early on Wednesday. You can expect to see this thing have some momentum behind it, right? If it goes down, I don't think it'll go any lower than that 1.0. We're kind of locked in north of 3,800 from here on out, with a ceiling, short-term ceiling, right around 52. So those should be kind of like your ceiling and floor levels if you're looking to swing trade this thing. I think it's a great coin nonetheless. New economy movement has some deep roots in the crypto economy in the East. And kind of building on NEO, Bitcoin Cash, NEM, the NEO, NEM, those are two twin towers of the East. So this is a great time for you guys to get it if you haven't gotten it already, and ride it up. I think we're coming on a new cycle where a lot of these altcoins are going to be gaining, and this is one of the strongest ones that kind of just sits in the shadows, doesn't get a lot of attention, but you can see it has been performing as of late, and I don't think that's going to stop anytime soon. I hope this chart helps you guys. Let me know. Leave me a comment in the link below in the comment section. I do read all the comments. I appreciate all the support you guys have been leaving me. I know a lot of people are starting to make some money, and it's a lot more to be made. I want everybody to be able to come, cabana side, with the boss, right? And that's what I said. Once Bitcoin get to 100,000, and we gonna have to book us, a cruise somewhere tropical, that'll be pretty cool. But until then, we just got to bang these charts out. So let me know if this helps you guys. Not that much going on behind the scenes, really just a continuation pattern. I got a few micro cycles built into it. But once we get above that 1.6, then it's clear sailing all the way to the 2.4, right? That'll be a good time. And then once we do that, then I'll probably come back, jump on another chart just to show how continuation goes. And if we hit a huge breakout, I'll definitely ride this thing up with you guys to show you where to jump out somewhere up there. We do got a hard stop at 75, but I don't see us hitting that on this first extension. It'll be a kind of a wave formation that we follow to go up. All right, cool, guys. I'll talk to you later. Boss of Bitcoin.com for more crypto resources. Each one, reach one, week run, teach one. If you appreciate this knowledge, like, subscribe, and share. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.